Hey everybody, welcome to a special bonus video sharing with you some new online exclusive, that's the way Stampin' Up! Is phrasing this, products that were released on March 1st. Now I don't have all of them, and if you click on the link to the blog post below this video, you will get to see all the new products. But I am going to share what I did decide to purchase for myself, and I'm going to show you some samples that I've created with those new products. So let's get started. Hey there, I am Linda Bartolucci and I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Super happy that you're here to watch this video. If you are subscribed to my channel, thank you so very much. And if not, please click that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you know when I post my next video. Let's get to the products. All right, so first off, I just want to share all the new fun things that I got. And then after this, the video will swish and I will show you a few samples of what I made with what I received. So this is the absolutely gorgeous, I just want to get the name right, Hello Irresistible paper, and it has Daffodil Delight, Flirty Flamingo, Lost Lagoon, returning color, Petal Pink, Pretty Peacock, also returning color, and Soft Sea Foam. What does that mean by returning color? That means that this spring Stampin' Up! Is going to update its base color palette, the 40 colors that we always have. And Lost Lagoon and Peacock, oh goodness, can't even remember, Pretty Peacock are going to return. So these are all the colors that you get. You get, is it 6 or 4? Wait, hang on. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4 sheets. So there's 12 different patterns, 24 altogether if you count both sides, and you get 4 sheets of each. All right, so that's the paper, the first set of paper that I got. Then I got this really beautiful Irresistible Blooms bundle. This is a cling stamp, so it's a sturdy stamp. You can't see through, but there's nothing to really line up. These are all individual images that you're just going to want to combine together on a project to make a beautiful card. I love that you have a thank you. I like you. That could go to just anybody. Hooray, it's your day. Definitely leaning towards a birthday, but it could be an anniversary or any occasion when you want to celebrate somebody. Hello, just to say hi, and I couldn't be happier to have you as a friend. So you have 3 here that are really kind of friendship ones, and then thank you, obviously, and hooray could just go for any occasion that you want to celebrate. All right, and then these are just gorgeous. They go with the papers that I just showed you. These are the loose frosted dots. They don't have any adhesive on them, so you are going to want to have some liquid adhesive handy when you use them. Some of them are opaque, and some of them, actually, I guess all of them are kind of this milky opaque looking color. So very cool. I am going to guess here that it's Flirty Flamingo, either mango or curry, and then it looks like they were trying to go for peacock on this one. I don't have the colors, but I will mark it on the back of this so that when I come back with my samples, I'll be sure to share that with you. Then the second part of this bundle is the dies. Here we go. Sorry if this is a little irritating to you. You can skip ahead 10 seconds or 15, and you won't have to hear the crunching of the paper that we don't need anymore. These are the dies, and what I love about the dies when I was looking at them is there's so much more than just the frame ones for the stamps themselves. You have these 3 extra leaves, and you have this really cool circle. Hang on. How beautiful is this? It's a decorative circle, and then you have a coordinating border that has the same kind of circle and lines that you can use over and over again. Word of caution, these are very intricate. You can see how thin they're going to cut your paper, so I would definitely have some adhesive sheets handy because that's going to be the easiest way for gluing these. All right, and again, I will show you more about that in the sample portion of this video. All right, I'm going to share this paper with you first. This is the Naturally Gilded 12 by 12. Sorry for the sound again. This is a specialty paper, so you can see, hope you can see. I mean, yeah, you can definitely see. I'll get it towards the window. So it's all got this beautiful gold foiling to it. And so you have a vanilla and gold, and then you have a white and, oh, actually, and silver. So it's got a base color and then a foil. And then this one is white and it looks like rose gold, which is absolutely gorgeous. All right, so I think the rose gold lends itself really well to the Flirty Flamingo features that are in the rest of the materials I already showed you. And then I couldn't resist getting this. There are a few more items in the new release that came out on March 1st. If you look in my stamping store, there's a link below in the video. You can see all the things from the release and they are awesome. I will definitely run all 3 of these through my machine before I come back with my samples so that you can see them. See, did they have names for them? Nope, just 3 basic embossing folders. They don't have individual names. Okay, so we're gonna name them. This looks like starfish to me. I'm not sure what you think, but I think that looks like starfish. This is definitely just a crisscross kind of one, very neutral. They're all 3D though, which is really great. You're gonna get a good impression. And we have a traditional polka dot folder again, 3D, so it's gonna give you a really great embossed look with polka dots. So these are 3 available. They are $30 because it is a single purchase for all 3, but they rock. They're great. All right, so let me get to making some samples with this stuff for you, and I will come back and share them with you right here in this video. You won't notice any time, but I gotta go get busy. Okay, with a swish of the video, we have fast forwarded more than a week. We've done some traveling, had some fun with family, and I am back to share with you some of the specifics about the new products. These are the 3D embossing folders that I showed you just a moment ago, and I did find some names for them. They're calling this flowers. I still think it looks like starfish. This is crosshatch, sounds good to me, and this is hobnail circles. It's just super puffy circles is basically what you can see how much they puff when you look at the debossed side. So, and I do think this is pretty cool on the debossed side as well. I think it really loses the whole starfish or flower look, and it's just a unique pattern. I would even use this on a guy card for sure. Let me just, for the sake of sharing, let me show you the other side of this one. I think either side works great on this one. All right, so let me show you a few creations I made with the Irresistible Flowers stamp set and bundle. This one is the first one. I incorporated the Flirty Flamingo and Daffodil Delight, which is in the Designer Series paper. I also incorporated these new, hang on, they're right here. The loose frosted dots. They have the Flirty Flamingo and the Daffodil, and then they also have some Pretty Peacock, which is one of our returning colors. I just used black ink here for the I Like You, and this card I left blank inside, but I didn't do that for all of them. This one is a great layout for any card. You have a rectangle, a square, and then your basic layers just to add some dimension and color to the back of the card. I do like complementing it with a different shape, but it could be anything. It could be a punch, it could be a die in more of a rounder fashion because these are all so 90-degree-ish here. I added some basic pearls around, and all 3 of these colored layers are again from the Designer Series paper. And then I just used some gray granite as the base of the card. I do believe on this one, yes, I finished it off with a couple more leaves and some basic white. And then last but not least, look what I found. I found some Pretty Peacock cardstock in my old color stash. And I don't know if you noticed, but on this one, this is Pretty Peacock ink. So I was able to coordinate it with the colors in the Designer Series paper. And this one is a whole lot of Pretty Peacock ink. So I used the Just a Note from the Happy Labels stamp set that was introduced in this current mini catalog. These are the different flowers all cut out as well as the leaves. So they were stamped and cut, stamped on soft seafoam and cut with Pretty Peacock. This is the border die, and I just kind of almost centered it, but not quite, so that I could have it balanced with the greeting over here. You'll know, oh, and then this one I did also put soft seafoam inside with an extra flower stamped here, just to kind of tie the front and the back. You'll notice on all of these that I tried to use up many of the dies So this is actually designer series paper cut with the flower dies, and then these are stamped and cut out flowers. So just wanted to share all of that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me show you one more time all the fun projects and the 3 new folders that you can get. Everything as you're watching this is on sale right now, so head over to my shop and you can find it there. I hope you enjoyed today's video and you're as excited as I am about this new way that Stampin' Up! Is going to be releasing new products. Of course, we still have the upcoming annual catalog later in the spring, and I'm super happy to launch into that. If you enjoyed what you saw today, please click the like button. Be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you get to see my next video, which will be published next week. All right, have a great day.